Hey people, so there is this movie called Kamyab on Netflix, starring Sanjay Mishra, Avtar Gill, and it's been the Red Chillies Entertainment is the producers, one of the major producers, along with some Drishyam Entertainment, but really, yeah, I mean, this is I remember like the movie. Golmaal by the original, Utpal Dutt. So this movie Kam successfully, recreates that era for us. I mean, in terms of it's about a very senior actor in today's times, but I mean that certain I don't know, slice of life, or this movie has been made with a lot of heart and a lot of sincerity, and it's seen on screen. So you should watch it, people. It's among the top 10 trending films on Netflix. It's called Kamyab, and it's a real Kamyab effort. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.